I'm Joanne from Binary Trader, the YouTube channel focusing exclusively on binary options trading. In today's video, after a long break, I will show you if my strategy based on parabolic and CCI indicators still works or not. I will show you some examples where I did not enter the trade and tell you why. Before diving in, let me kindly ask you to like the video and consider subscribing to my channel so you won't miss upcoming content. Thank you for your support. Let's start. Let's get through the settings. First of all, set the time frame to 1 minute. Among indicators, select CCI and parabolic. Open settings for CCI and set the period to 13. For parabolic, leave the settings as they are. Make sure expiration mode is set correctly. You should see the flag icon. Trade duration is set to 1 minute. Choose some pairs with the highest available 92% payout. Check that the trading amount is set correctly. And let's look for some trading opportunities. This is a typical sideways market. There is no clear trend, not even if you zoom out to a bigger picture. Our strategy can be traded with the trend or for trend reversals, but there is no trend in a sideways market. I don't recommend to trade this type of strategy in such market context. This is another example, though here you can see a double top pattern, so the trend reversal at the second top was predictable. There the signal could have been accepted. Here some trend was forming, but it ended up little bit sideways. This should be avoided too. Wait until some nice trend forms. Here we have a clear downtrend. CCI is almost minus 100. And parabolic is about to flip from below candles to above the candle. When the current candle closes and the flip is confirmed, I will place a trade in the downward direction. We need to wait for the close of the candle because it can change direction easily before it closes. And then the indicator is recalculated, and the signal you waited for might not happen. While waiting for the signal, I can tell you the platform link is in the video description as usual. Click on it if you would like to trade on pocket option. Flip of parabolic is confirmed, so I placed a trade in the downward direction. It might be too stressful for some of you to wait and see how your trade goes. Feel free to take a break. The trade will play out in your absence. You can get back to your screen and analyze the situation afterwards. Remember, we are trading binary options here, so the only thing that matters is that the price will be higher or lower at the end of the predefined interval. Size of the move does not matter. If your prediction is right, you get the staked amount back and some extra payout, 92% in this case, and lose the whole staked amount if you were wrong. I am telling this because sometimes I get comments asking about this, and I assume some people mix this concept with traditional forex trading, but this is totally different. That's great, the trade won. Look for the next setup. At first this seems to be an uptrending market, but we should check the bigger picture to see what's really going on. By zooming out, it's visible that here we had a longer-term downtrend. There was a reversal to the upside recently. It was strong in the beginning, but it seems to die, and I expect this short uptrend to reverse back, so the longer-term downtrend to continue. We wait for parabolic to flip up, and if CCI will have a convincingly low value, I will place a trade in the downward direction. I might wait a few minutes here, and if nothing happens, I will move on. Remember, patience is the most important skill in trading. Don't forget to check payouts regularly. Refresh your watch list by removing pairs with low payout and adding in ones with high payout. Payout levels constantly change. And there is the nice big bearish candle we waited for. It forms a bearish engulfer together with the previous smaller bullish candle. An engulfing pattern is a good extra confirmation about your setup. But we are not ready to place a trade yet. As always, first we need to wait for the close of the current candle, so the flip of parabolic is confirmed. Also, CCI is around 0 at the moment, which is not ideal. While waiting here, make sure to press the like button if you like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel if you like my content in general. Don't forget to select all notifications so you won't miss any upcoming content. Flip is confirmed with another convincing bearish candle, though CCI is still not very low. But low enough, we had a bearish engulfer. So based on the market analysis, a downward direction trade was placed. Market analysis is way more important than any technical indicator. You really need to practice a lot to understand how markets behave. But don't worry, Pocket Option, as almost every other platform, provides you a demo mode, so you can practice with virtual balance before risking your own money. For people looking for a broker, I am trading at Pocket Option. Platform link can be found in the video description. If you can't bear staring at the charts, feel free to take a break. The trade will play out in your absence. You can perform your analysis afterwards based on the outcome. Trade 1. Look for next setup. While looking for setups, remember to remove pairs with low payout from your watch list and select other ones with high payout. Payouts constantly change. Here we have a confident downtrend, a very convincing recent bearish engulfer followed by other bearish candles. I wait for the close of the current candle to confirm the flip of parabolic. CCI is below the zone. I expect the downtrend to continue, so I am considering to place a trade in the downward direction. Flip is confirmed, so I place the trade. Some people ask which time of the day I am trading or what time zone I am in. You can check the time zone in the video above trade duration settings, but here is one thing. For traditional forex trading, time matters because there are low volume periods. But for binary options, the size of the moves does not matter, only their direction. So low volume periods are equally tradable. You need to practice a lot to understand market behavior, and you can trade anytime. While waiting for this trade to play out, make sure to press the like button if you like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel if you like my content in general. Don't forget to select all notifications so you won't miss any upcoming content. Great, look for the next setup. Here we had some consolidation previously. The current uptrend seems very strong. So if our setup forms, I will place a trade in the upward direction. We need to wait for the current candle to close to see if the dot of parabolic remains below the candle, so the flip to the downside is confirmed. CCI is high enough, so I expect this uptrend to continue. And I am placing the trade now. I know trading sometimes seems like complete witchcraft, and it seemed to me in the beginning too. What you see here is the result of many years of experience. But you can learn how to trade by obtaining the required skill set, as well as myself and many others did. Patience is key to success. On the short term while waiting for nice setups, and on the longer term when practicing as well. Trading is a profession. Leave yourself time to learn it as you would do with any other newly acquired profession. Trade 1. This was our last trade today. Hope you've enjoyed today's video and you found it useful. If you did, please press the like button and consider subscribing to my channel to be notified about upcoming content. Don't forget to select all notifications. Feel free to check my other videos, which teaches thoroughly tested strategies that have proven success for many of my viewers besides myself. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like my content in general. If you haven't done yet, click on the platform link in the video description to join Pocket Option and start trading today. I used my Google account for signing up for ease of use. The promo code 50START is automatically filled in. With it you will receive 50% extra on your first deposit that you can trade with. Ask any further question in the comment section, or feel free to leave your thought or idea there, or whatever else is on your mind. Thank you very much for watching my video. I wish you successful trading. See you next time.